Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the details of a truly unique keyboard that's packed with features. The Ajazz AK820 Pro Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or someone who just loves a good mechanical keyboard, this might be the one you've been waiting for. Let's break down everything that makes this keyboard a standout. The Ajazz AK820 Pro is designed with gamers and power users in mind, but it has enough features to impress anyone. This keyboard isn't just about looks. It's about delivering a performance-packed experience with a touch of premium customization. Let's start with what catches everyone's eye first. Those 136 high-quality keycaps. These keycaps don't just feel great under your fingers. They're also incredibly durable and with fully customizable lighting. Each key can light up however you want, giving your setup a personal touch that stands out. Connectivity is a huge factor when choosing a keyboard, and the AK820 Pro doesn't disappoint. With 3 connectivity modes, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a USB wired option, you have the freedom to connect seamlessly to just about any device. Whether it's a PC, laptop, or even now, here's something you don't see every day: a TFT color screen and a multifunctional knob. The TFT screen isn't just there for looks. It displays real-time information about your system, such as CPU usage, battery life, or connectivity mode. This is especially handy for gamers who want real-time stats without leaving their screen. And this multifunctional knob? It's a fantastic addition. From adjusting your volume to switching tracks or even customizing it for specific in-game actions. It's easy to get addicted to this feature. It gives you control over your system without needing extra software or reel. The Ajazz AK820 Pro isn't just about features. It also delivers when it comes to the typing experience. It uses high-quality mechanical switches, which provide a responsive and satisfying typing experience, perfect for both gaming and long typing sessions. Whether you prefer a tactile click or a quieter press, this keyboard has options for everyone. To wrap it up, the Ajazz AK820 Pro Gaming Mechanical Keyboard is a solid investment if you're looking for high performance, style, and customization. With features like the TFT screen, multifunction knob, and multi-mode connectivity, it brings a lot to the table at its price point. If you're in the market for a gaming keyboard that goes above and beyond, this could be just what you need. So, what do you think? Is the Ajazz AK820 Pro the right keyboard for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content from. Stay tuned for our next review, and keep your tech powered up.